morning, student. Today we are going to continue our chapter 2, operations with large numbers. So today the topic we covered is averages. Averages, have you heard the name averages? Averages is the sum of total number that you have given divided by the number that is presented. So it is the arithmetic means you are adding all the numbers divided by the given numbers. Let's take an example. 5 students of class 5 collected leaf specimen. So 5 student name are there and number of leaves are there. Name of student Meera, Asif, Madhu, Neena, Zaidi. Number of leaves collected by Meera is 3, Asif 5, Madhu 3, Neena 7, Zaidi 2. So if we want to take the average, so what we are going to do, we are all add all these 5 numbers, 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 7 plus 2. So we get how many number? 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 7 18, 18 plus 2 we got 20. And what average? If we talk about the average, 20. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4. So we can say that average, on an average, 4 leaves are collected by each student. If we draw the another table, the table will be like that. Name of student Meera, Asif, Madhu, Neena, Zaidi. Number of leaves. On an average, 4 leaves are there, so we have to write there 4. So the table will be like this. Number of students 5. Number of leaves collected 4. So after taking the average, this table will be look like this. Taking another example. The example is that of the average the monthly electricity bills of Ramla for given year. The given year is there. The whole year is there. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Whole year is there, and the rupees. The bill that Ramla got Jan 560, Feb 430, March 480 rupees, April 350 rupees, May 410 rupees, June 520 rupees, July 490 rupees, August 320 rupees, September 640 rupees, October 480 rupees, November 370 and December 242 rupees. Now what we are going to do? We are taking the average. The average for the bill. The average for the bill is what we are going to do. We add all these numbers or the bills coming each and every month, like that. Rupees 560 plus 430 plus 480 plus 350 plus 410 plus 520 plus 490 plus 320 plus 640 plus 380 plus 370 plus 242. Now what you have to do? You have to add all these numbers. You have to add all these numbers. After adding, what you get the answer? Rupees 5 to 9. So 5 to 9, this is the answer, 5,292 rupees. When you add all these numbers, you got 5,292 rupees. Now the average, you have to write this number 5,292 divided by 12. Why you are getting 12? Because it is the bill of a whole year. In a year, 12 months are there. When you divide this by this, even you can do 5292 divided by 12. 12 fours minus 4 0 12 again 1 you will take 2 1. So what you get the answer? On an average, Ramlal got 441 rupees. So this is the average bill. Example, find the average of 5, 10 and 15. So three numbers are given to us. We have to find the average. So sum of given number 5 plus 10 plus 50. So what is the sum? 5 plus 10, 15, 15 plus 15, 30. So this is the sum of number. Number given to us, three numbers are there, 1, 2 and 3. So average of given numbers is, what is the average? 30 divided by 3. Answer is 10. So this 10 is the average of these three numbers. This is our exercise question, exercise 2.9, question number 1. Attendance of a student in a class as follows: Monday 42, Tuesday 43, Wednesday 39, Thursday 41 and Friday 45. Now 5 days are there and the attendance of the student in the class are given. So find the average daily attendance of the class. So first you have to add all these numbers. So we have to add attendance of a student. Sum, it is the sum. Attendance of the student is the sum of how many days? The 5 days. 5 days are there. 42 plus 43 plus 39 plus 41 plus 45. So you have to add all these numbers. You have to draw the rough curve. 42 plus 43 plus 39 plus 41 plus 45. You have to add all these numbers. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 9, 14. 14 and 1, 15. 15 and 5, 20. 0 carries 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 4, 17. 17 plus 4, 21. So 210. The average is 210. Now the sum is 210. We have to find the average. Average 210 divided by how How many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 days are there. Do this calculation in your duffer. Make a duffer over there. So 210, 5, 5, 4 are 20, 5 2s are 10. So 42. The average of daily attendance of the class is 42. Second question, the rainfall recorded in the city from July to December. The rainfall regarded as 3.1 cm, 4.2 cm, 5.8 cm, 11.1 cm, 4.6 cm, 7.8 cm. So first we have to sum of rainfall recorded. 3.1 plus 4.2 plus 5.8 plus 11.1 plus 4.6 plus 7.8 centimeter. So we have to add. Do the calculation in rough. 3.1, 4.2, 5.8, 11.1, 4.6, 7.8. 1 plus 3, 3 plus 8, 11, 11 and 1, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 8, 26, 6 and 2, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 11, 25, 25 plus 4, 29, 29 plus 7, 36. So the answer is 36.6 centimeter. This is the sum of all the rainfall which is recorded. Now we have to find the average. What is the average? Sum divided by the total numbers. How many months are there? July to December, 6 months are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Divided by 6. Do this in rough your calculation. 6, 6, 36. Then there is a point. Mark a point. Carry forward 6. Ones are 6, 0. So 6.1 centimeter is the average rainfall recorded. Now, what is the homework? Do question 1 to question number 5 of exercise 2.9 in copy. Thank you, students.